What?
And bring back too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the good thing about having a dog, I don't know if there's a good thing about having a dog. That was Elle's choice to get this little hellraiser of a puppy. Because the bad thing about having a puppy is he likes to chew on everything. So now my electric fan is in 2 pieces. The good thing about having a hellraiser of a puppy and doing bad shit is that I can whip out my tools and be Handyman Paul. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Let's see. Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Can you open the door, please? Can you open the door there, please? Here. Can you open that door, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Very good. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
So dirty.
What is dirty?
The floor is dirty.
Oh no, the floor is not dirty. Okay. And do we have light? We have light. Okay. Let's get rid of some of the ants here. And let's see what we can do with that one. And the trusted toolbox. Toolbox. Yes. Then we have to have.
That is good. No.
What?
No. This no.
Yeah, it's for the hose.
Hose for water.
Yeah, hose for water, that's right.
Right. And
Let's see. We can get something done with one of these.
it's dangerous, that one.
Yeah, that's a sharp knife, so we don't play with that one.
And cut.
Okay. Damn it. A disclaimer here. I am not a handyman or an electrician or something else. I claim to be, but shit, it's going to be a little bit more difficult than I thought. Damn it. There we go. I just need enough wire to be able to get the two together. Come on, get in there. So the plan is to put black on black and white on white. There and there. Can tighten, tidy this up a little bit, like so. So, exposed. See if we can do that with this part too. There we go. Cut that open and hopefully it will come off by itself. Come on. There we go. Yeah.
Egg not fall down.
Hmm?
Egg not fall down.
Yeah, don't let the eggs fall down. That would be bad for tomorrow's breakfast. There. There we go. We have exposed number 2. Like so. So the plan is to put this together with that in a semi-professional way. And let's see here. We have this thing, and this is a high quality soldering iron. I don't know about the quality, but I know it works. I have tried to use it before. So let's see if we can get it to work again. So, Elle just pointed out to me that you don't need a soldering iron for this. You can just use electrical tape. Yes, of course I know that, but what fun is that? We have the tools, so we can do it properly. Am I right or am I right? I think I am right. So, put them together. See, I haven't researched this on YouTube or internet. I go by what I saw my brother and my dad did when I was young. And hopefully this will be working in no time. So, white on white, black on black. Very good. Oops. Now, maybe this is warm enough. Let's see. Ooh. hate the smell of this. I can still remember the smell of this when they were working with it, but it just smells nasty. It smells nasty. There. I'm shaking like a drug addict. I'm not a drug addict, but I'm shaking like one. Let's see if we can do the other one, like so. Wow. It's looking professional already. Ta-da-da-da. I think that's about does it. Okay, unplug this one. See if we can get rid of some of the, I don't know, the tin. Leave it there to cool down. Okay. So, hopefully nothing else is exposed or cut or bitten. This will hold.
I don't want princess.
You don't want princess? What do you want? You want pink cat, right?
I want bunny.
Okay.
I want bunny.
Okay. So I'm reading on this backside of this iron, soldering iron. It's supposed to have high power, small power regulating switch. Nothing. Power indicator.
Wait.
Nothing. Stainless steel barrel. Ah, yes, I guess it has that one. And rugged heater construction. Ah, it looks very rugged to me. And a long life soldering tip. That tip looks just long life and fantastic. Okay. Excellent.
Right. That is.
Okay.
Okay.
My assistant is here to help me now. I see. Thank you for coming. What do you think about that is soldering?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. I needed to hear that because I don't feel like a soldering kind of guy, but when you say it like that, I'm just, ooh, I'm so happy. Back in your box, back in your box, back in your box, back in your box, back in your box. Okay. And back in the box. That was everything. Then we have our electrical tape. So, looking at my handiwork, wow, it's beautiful. It is just beautiful. Whew. Who needs 4 years of education and apprenticeship. Oh, you know what I mean.
Oh no, what is you?
You want to do this? You have fingers for this. I don't have
Okay.
hands.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Were you born an electrician or
Yeah, not really.
not really?
But I study a bit
Oh, you study a bit.
when I was in high school.
Oh.
Our MAPI teacher teach us how to
How to?
make series circuit, electrical.
Okay. Nice to know.
Yep. But I don't really care about that.
Are you more of an office computer type gal?
Yeah.
Okay.
And taking care of the old people or something, cleaning
Taking-
the shit.
Cleaning the shit. Well, you get practice now with girl. But that's a good trade to know too, no?
But at least when you live in province and you don't know people yet, like your neighbor, you will learn many things by yourself, including plumbing.
Including plumbing.
Carpenter.
Carpentry.
Yeah.
What have you been carpentered lately?
Cabinet.
Oh, the cabinet. Okay, white is on white, black is on black.
Yeah.
Do we dare to try it?
I think it's good now.
Yeah, that looks
Can-
really professional. You want to try it?
Bismillah.
Good luck. We have liftoff. Wow,
Okay.
that's quite a
Good.
yeah.
We did it.
Excellent. We'll just wrap some more tape around both of them, and then we are done.
Okay, give me.
I hate to say it, but this has been Soldering with Paul. Excuse me. Here we go. Whoa, what are you looking at? Are you studying? What is that? Is that rainbow?
Yeah. And look at that.
Wow, who's that?
Halloween.
Oh, it's Halloween. Why you have that in your school books? Paste pictures of you, of your friends. Yeah,
Friends.
that's all your Halloween friends.
Friends.
Very good.
Receive. I have candy. Look.
Yeah, you always have candy.
I
Okay, say bye-bye.